Hi friends, this is Lakshmi, Assistant Professor in the Department of SNH, Chebrolu Engineering College, Class 23, Topic Solved Problems on Dielectric Materials. Now, the first problem is find the capacitance of a layer of Al2O3 that having a thickness of 0.5 micrometers and having area 2000 millimeter square and corresponding relative permeability is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Now substitute these values in the formula. C is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r A by D. We get the value of capacitance of the layer. Here the given data is permittivity of the free space is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 and the area of the capacitance, that is 2000 millimeter square. Now it is converted into meter square. That's value is equal to 2000 into 10 power minus 6 meters, and the thickness D is equal to 0.5 micrometers. This is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 6 meters. Now the formula for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is C is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r A by D. Now substitute these values here. Finally we get the capacitance of the layer is 3.5416 into 10 power minus 8 farads. Now next problem is a layer of porcelain is 80 mm long and 20 mm wide and 0.7 meters of thick. Now calculate its capacitance with R is equal to 6. Here the relative permittivity is equal to 6 and the permittivity of the free space, that is constant, is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter, and the area is equal to length into breadth, that is 80 mm into 20 mm. Now capacitance formula C is equal to epsilon r epsilon naught A by D. Now substitute the value of epsilon r, that is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12, and epsilon naught value is 6 and area is 80 into 20 into 10 power minus 6. Here 10 power minus 6 means millimeter is converted into meters, and the distance between the two layers is 0.7 into 10 power minus 6 meters. Now by calculating these values, finally we get the capacitance of the layer is 1.21 into 10 power minus 7 farad. Now next problem, if an ionic crystal is subject to an electric field of 1000 volt per meter and the resulting polarization is 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter square, calculate the relative permittivity of NaCl crystal. Now given data, here electric field intensity value is 1000 volt per meter and epsilon naught, it is a constant value, it is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12, and polarization P is equal to 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter square. Here, this is the relation between polarization and applied electric field. So, polarization P is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1 into E. Now cross multiply the epsilon naught E value. So, here this is the expression for epsilon r. Here we calculate the relative permittivity of the NaCl. So substitute the values. Polarization 4.3 into 10 power minus 8 and epsilon naught E value, that is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 into 100. Finally we got the value of relative permittivity, that is 5.86. And the next problem is calculate the electronic polarization of argon atom whenever relative permittivity is 1.0024 at NTP, and here N value is 2.7 into 10 power 25. Now given data, relative permittivity is 1.0024 at NTP, and the permittivity of the free space, that is constant, its value is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. And also this is the solution. So here we find the value for electronic polarizability. So electronic polarizability formula from this equation is P by Ne. Here P is polarization, N is the number of atoms, and E is the applied electric field. But in this problem, here there is no value of electric field intensity. So that's why this formula we can change into P is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1 into E. Substitute in this equation. So here E and E are cancelled. So there are only values epsilon naught, epsilon r and N. So these three values are given in the problem. So that means this is the formula for electronic polarization P by Ne, but in this formula capital E is there, but in this problem E value is not given. So for this purpose, here change the formula of P. So this is the relation between P and epsilon r and E. Now substitute this formula in this equation. So simply E and E are cancelled. Now this is the formula of electronic polarization. So electronic polarization epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1 by capital N. Now substitute the values of epsilon naught epsilon r and N. Finally we get the answer 7.9 into 10 power minus 40 farad per meter square. This is the solution of the problem. Now next problem. A solid contains 5 into 10 power 28 atoms per meter cube, each with a polarizability of 2 into 10 power minus 40 farad meter square. Here assume that internal field is given by Lorentz formula. Now calculate the ratio of internal field to the external field. Here epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Now the solution of this problem is, so given data is polarizability alpha is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 40 farad per meter square, and the number of atoms n equal to 5 into 10 power 28 atoms per meter cube. We know that Lorentz field, in the Lorentz field, the internal field expression is EI is equal to E plus P by 3 epsilon naught, and also polarization formula is N alpha EI. Now substitute the polarization formula P in this equation. So EI is equal to E plus N alpha EI by 3 epsilon naught. Now EI term is taken to the right side and common the EI term. So EI into 1 minus N alpha by 3 epsilon naught is equal to capital E. Now EI by capital E is equal to 1 by 1 minus N alpha by 3 epsilon naught. Now substitute the value of N, that is 5 into 10 power 28, and alpha value, that is 2 into 10 power minus 40, and epsilon naught value 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. By calculating these values, here finally we get the ratio between internal field and to the applied field. So that is EI by capital E is equal to 1.604. So this is the solution of the problem. Now the next problem is calculate the polarization produced in dielectric medium of dielectric constant 6 when it is subjected to an electric field of 100 volt per meter. Here the epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Now given data, dielectric constant, that is epsilon r is equal to 6, and permittivity of the free space epsilon naught is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Electric field E is equal to 100 volt per meter. Polarization P is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1 into E. Now substitute the value of epsilon naught epsilon r and E value. Finally we get the polarization P is equal to 4.425 into 10 power minus 9 volt farad per meter square. So this is the solution of the problem polarization. Now next problem, calculation the electronic polarizability of neon. The radius of neon atom is 0.158 nanometer. Here epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter square. Now solution of the problem is here the given data, radius of neon atom is 0.158 nanometer. Now 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. So 0.158 into 10 power minus 9 meters. And also permittivity of a free space epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Now we know that formula for electronic polarizability is alpha E is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Now 4 into pi value 3.14 and epsilon naught value 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 and radius that is 0.158 into 10 power minus 9 whole cube. Now the final value of electronic polarizability is 4.386 into 10 power minus 40 farad meter square. This is the final answer of electronic polarizability. Now next problem is the dielectric constant of helium gas at NTP is 1.000684. Calculate the electronic polarizability of helium atoms if the gas contains 2.7 into 10 power 26 atoms per meter cube. And now calculate the radius of helium atom. Here this is the value relative permittivity of the free space, so it is a constant value. Now the solution of this problem is relative permittivity epsilon r is 1.000684 and the number of atoms in the gas capital N value is 2.7 into 10 power 26 atoms per meter cube and permittivity of the free space epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. So here we know that polarization formula P is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1 into E, and also polarization formula in terms of electronic polarizability is P is equal to n alpha E capital E. Now by comparing these two equations, so n alpha E is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1. So alpha E electronic polarizability is epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1 by n. Now substitute the values. Epsilon naught 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 and epsilon r value that is 1.000684 minus 1 and the number of atoms 2.7 into 10 power 26. Finally we get the answer electronic polarizability alpha E is equal to 2.242 into 10 power minus 42 farad meter square. But here there is another problem, that is radius of helium atom. So to find the radius of helium atom, here we used electronic polarizability formula alpha E is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. From this formula r is equal to alpha E by 4 pi epsilon naught. So now substitute the value of alpha E here, that is 2.242 into 10 power minus 42 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Finally we get the radius of helium atom, that is r is equal to 0.0201 into 10 power minus 30 meters. So these are the solved problems in dielectric properties. Thank you.